All right, kiddos, gather around because I'm about to tell you all about the coolest animals at the zoo. First up, we have the king of the jungle, the lion. This guy is so fierce and majestic, with his big mane and loud roar. But don't worry, he's just a big softie deep down. Next, we have the tallest animal in the world, the giraffe. These guys have super long necks and legs, making them look like they're walking on stilts. They use their long necks to reach the tastiest leaves at the top of the trees. Now, let's talk about the cheekiest animals in the zoo, the monkeys. These guys are always swinging from tree to tree, causing mischief and making everyone laugh. They love to play and show off their acrobatic skills. And who can forget about the elephants? These gentle giants have big ears, long trunks, and huge tusks. They love to splash around in the water and cover themselves in mud to keep cool. Last but not least, we have the colorful parrots. These birds are so vibrant and chatty, always squawking and showing off their beautiful feathers. So there you have it, kids, the most famous animals at the zoo. Next time you visit, make sure to say hello to all of these amazing creatures. Goodbye.